welcome back again. This is Unesh, and yes, we are back live. So, anybody online now? Then leave a comment inside the comment box so we know that if someone is live right now or not. So, this is not the usual time that we do live stream, but again, if anyone is there live, then they can leave comment. And we are live now here, and we have co-founder of Local Press, Asaduzaman Abir with us, and we are going to discuss about WordPress theme, set of WordPress theme. There are a lot of multiple themes available for local businesses, and welcome Asaduzaman on the live stream.
Thank you, Udesh. How are you?
Yeah, how are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. Thank you.
Okay, so we are going to discuss about local press. So let's begin. So my first question to you is that what is the company behind local press, and
Uh,
what are your other projects or previous projects or future projects, and on what domain you like to work on, and you can show your company background.
okay. So local press is first of all, I need to explain that what company we are actually belong with. I am Abir from themespell.com. So themespell is one of the most popular currently in popular website or WordPress theme club, who's are actually making WordPress themes and WordPress related services. In Themispell, we have almost 7 members in our team, and we are actively working on WordPress industries, or even in besides we working on React and some other custom projects. So last couple of years we have made almost 100 plus clients website, which actually basically based on local businesses like pet products or even cleaning service or and the similar industries actually. Then we have thought that if we build it regularly, that most of them actually coming with some common design patterns and some common contents. Then we thought that if we build a product that will actually reduce our time and also reduce our cost, then in that thought we have actually released the local press WordPress theme. It actually reduces our clients pressure. Also we can deliver sites to our clients within an hour, or and in that thing previously it was actually for our internal use, but in last year we thought that we want to release it in the publicly, as any of freelancers or small business owners can use this thing to serve their clients. And in this year, in 2021, we have actually successfully launched local press on PageGround, and it's booming in now. We have almost 1,000 plus customers, active customers who is actually using local press in their websites and also in their clients' websites. And our plan is to build the WordPress industry products more and more efficient and UX friendly, as users can any of users can easily build their website without any coding knowledge or without any technical knowledge. Just some minor WordPress based knowledge, he or she can create any kind of websites without any issues. That's why we have built a local press. We are also working on some other products which will public in next couple of months. One of coming in next month also before the Black Friday, and also we are coming with some plugins in next year, which will be massive, which will coming for a massive change in the WordPress industry as our expectation.
Okay.
We have also another sister concern company named Codember, which actually working on WordPress plugins especially, and it will coming front in next 2020.
Okay, so local press is something that themes or templates you can say you created for yourself to provide services to your clients because you are getting repeating sites orders such as from the same industry. So while you were replicating that for your multiple clients, then you decided to sell it publicly so other freelancers and agency can do the same thing that you are doing inside your agency, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so my next question about local press to you is that what are the unique things inside local press that makes local press different than other themes or let's say starter sites available in the market WordPress industry?
Actually, local press. The main reason for using local press, if any user use or purchase local press, the main unique thing is very simple and easy to use, and it has a lot of ready-made demos, including 60 plus demos, which allows them to create website within a single click. I will show it live that how can we create a local business website within 5 minutes. So no other theme actually provide this issue. Also, it is compatible with the latest Elementor page builder, so users don't need any kind of hard coded in here. They just drag and drop their local business website with the Elementor page builder. That's actually our main focus. And also, not only that, we have also focused on the performance, because most of the WordPress themes are not getting a good performance when are actually they live, but in local press the
What do you mean?
performance is almost
What do you mean
uh,
performance?
yeah,
Is it speed?
yeah, the speed.
Okay, page
The
speed.
website loading speed is much faster than any other themes available in the WordPress industry, especially in the local business industry. So
Okay,
users don't
I
have to
would
think
really like
about
to
the
see
website
the
speed.
live demo. As you said, we would like to see the live demo that how fast we can deploy business local business site on WordPress live if you can show us.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so you can share your screen and it will be visible on the live stream.
Okay, so I am sharing my screen now.
Okay, so your screen is now visible and you can start the demonstration or live demo and I will pop in whenever needed, right?
Okay, sure. So, and this is actually test server I have recently just deployed for testing local paste. So it's actually fresh and no other plugins or themes installed. I'm until the default themes. So it's currently now we need to install local press in here. So we just upload the theme package, just going to appearance and themes, and we're going to upload the theme package in here. Very simple, like installing theme in any we like any other WordPress themes. Okay, it has uploaded. Now we'll click on the activate button. It has installed. Now the local press will suggest us that to install some recommended plugins that need for that it really need to run local press properly. So it has given us a message, so we click on the begin installing plugins, and after clicking on the installing plugins we just select it, install and apply. So let's need to wait a couple of minutes or less. Okay, all of the plugins has installed already. Now let's move on our the main part. Okay, we get to get dashboard, and if we go to the appearance we will find import theme demos. Okay, just a second, I have just installed a setting previously. Okay, if we'll go to the theme demos we will find a lot of demos available in here. Is 65 plus demos currently available in local press. So we just want to import this wealth management services. It's one of my favorite demo. So especially it's not only special, it is, yes, you can install any of demos in here. So if we click on the import demo button in here and then continue and import, it will importing the whole contents and images and all the settings from the demo websites. So it will take maximum 2 to 3 minutes, or if your server is it is a local slightly low grade shared server, then it will take maximum 5 to 7 minutes to import all the settings and demos and images. So let's wait. Okay, it's importing still. Okay, so until important, we can check the demo that how actually will be the demo look like. So if we go to the slash local business WordPress theme, we will check how actually the demo will look like. And if our import has an issue, we will easily find the problem in here. If we go to the demo section, here's all the demo is in actually in here. So if we click on this demo, we will find our demo pages. This is the wheel management service demo, and it will automatically make same as like we have seen in here, and it will come to it here. Okay, it will take, maybe some of the images are still big, that's why it takes time. Okay, we can check also other demos in here because there is a lot of demos available in here, like local SEO services or pest control services or even HVAC services, flooring services, dog fencing, the carpet cleaning service, one of our most popular demos that we have sold in our being, and also the grocery service in here, and previously the auto repairing services, which is actually a great popular demo. Let's check. Okay, it has imported successfully. Now we need to go to the settings and go to the reading settings, and we need to select our home page. So you click on here and home page, you will find that there is an home page already has created based on the demos. We just select in here, save change, and it's done. So if we go to visitor site, and we will find that the demo has ready made successfully, and I already the similar that we have seen in the demo section or the demo server. So this is the similarity in here. Okay, so that's actually in LocalPress, the power of LocalPress, that we have just made the website. It's a very small time, and you can just edit the content using the Elementor page builder. You can also change the header and footer, and also single post in very easily using the Elementor page builder. So no issue in here. Unesh, are you there?
Yeah. As far as the site is imported, whole
Yeah,
site is imported. Now any type of customization can be easily done.
yeah.
So that was pretty fast to have a whole complete site ready. Right. Guys, if you have any question, you can leave inside the comment box, and we already have one question, so I will take in between. That is from Naman Patel. Can we customize elements for blog section?
Yes, you can customize for blog section. Actually, we have bundled a special plugin made by us. I mean, our sister concern, the rig elements. So it has a templating section where the rig templates you can easily build the single blog post page, single page, or even header, footer, or all of the most common Elementor Pro features in the rig template section. So you can easily create any blog section using the local press. And
Okay, so
also in the next update, we will implement the rig elements for 1.1.2 version. It's currently now in 1.0 RC version is running. So in 1.2, you will find all the most common features that actually Elementor Pro have, and you will get already free with local press.
you have a separate plugin that is included with LocalPress,
Yeah,
and with that, more
installed it when
if some
we have imported the settings, like we have installed the plugin, the rig elements for Elementor, it has already installed with local press, so no need to think about uh,
some features which Elementor Pro is needed. A user does not need Elementor Pro,
yeah,
and he can work on Elementor free with that additional plugin given by you, right?
yeah.
Okay. So that was all, Naman. I think hope you got your answer. And one more thing, I would like to ask you that if someone is new in this domain and providing WordPress services as a freelancer, or let's say if some agency is not providing right now this WordPress sites as a services, and if they want to begin, then how much would you suggest that a freelancer or an agency should charge for such local businesses sites?
Okay, generally, as we have built a lot of business local business website in the last 4 to 5 years, we our experience is said that the minimum charge will be $300 for a local business website without any kind of dynamic sections or any kind of special effects. And if it will increase the functions, like there will be more dynamic functions with some e-commerce function or something, the most security function, then it will add charges like $500 to $700 on average.
So this charge is one time or yearly basis. How and how much is on the first year, and how you differentiate the next year's that is like maintenance services.
Yes, definitely it will come with a maintenance, regular maintenance services. So it's actually not for the one time. If anyone build a website for $300, then he need to charge again, or the agency need to charge again for regularly for the maintenance service or the security service. It is actually the first one. And if they want to customize their site, then they need to depend on they need to depend on the developer. But if they're using local press, they don't need to things this kind of issues, because they can easily customize, and already the basic cost that which actually charge for making the first website like $300 to $400, they can reduce it easily with the theme. And
Okay.
it's for lifetime actually, because no need to pay again and again in every year or every month.
Okay. So one more question I would like to ask about the white label features, that how white label works.
Okay.
I saw that there is one thing in agency plan called white label, right?
Yeah. Okay. So I am sharing my screen again. Can you please just confirm that my screen is showing or not?
Yeah, your screen will be live in second.
Okay,
Yeah,
that's
your
good.
screen is down.
So local press comes with some additional core features without the demos, which is defined in three parts: the call pop-up feature, the white labeling feature, and the limit access feature. Okay, so first of all, come with the local press, the general option. It's actually not very special, because anyone can implement this within a plugin or some hard coded. But we have just solved this, because if anyone use any custom favicon, he just select the favicon in here, and just, after selected, if we save it, it will load the custom favicon from here. That's the general settings. Let's come to the call pop-up feature. It's actually one of the most requested feature that we have built after local press, that users want to show a call pop-up area in here, that some of the local businesses want that user access to their website, and they can call just clicking in here, and it will call directly from their mobile or their Skype. So we have added a call pop-up feature in here. And if we just make it live, it will just make it safe. Let's see what happened. Is find that there is a call now button is added in here. So anyone, if he make focus in their local business website or local businesses, he can easily get attraction in this section. So this is actually the call now feature, and he can easily customize in the section the animation type, or the even icon size, button, text, or something else. Okay, let's come to the white labeling that the question has Unish asked to me. That white labeling feature, that some of can is especially for agencies, they want that nobody of their clients want to show our local press theme branding. They actually want their own branding, and they actually want their hide their business, the business materials or business plugins, or that mean the WordPress themes or plugins they actually used. So there is the white label feature is actually working. Let's see that how it works. First of all, if we go to the theme section, WordPress theme, that the local press theme branding has already loaded. If we select the enable white labeling feature, and if we click on save, and if we click on reload in here, let's see that actually the all things has changed in here. We can select the name, like my custom theme, we have named in my custom theme. So let's enter like free theme, just for test. A description of a theme, we can change the description, we can change the theme version, theme author, we can change the author example, we can also change the theme screenshot, like we have changed the screenshot using some of other using this image. And if we click on save, and if we go to reload this, and it has already reloaded all of our information from here. So nobody will actually get that things that which theme actually using in here. And also all the things has changed. So this is actually the power of white labeling feature, and it's specially available for the actually agency user, not for the other user. We have actually three plan, like business, standard, free, and agency. So it's actually special for agency users. And last but not least, we have another feature, that is local plus have another feature which is actually called limit access. I like anyone or any agency wants that they want to serve a client just the website, but all of the controls they need to they want in their side. They don't want to allow clients to customize any kind of controls. Then he can use the limit access feature. So using limit access feature, he can hide all the options from here, like hide Elementor settings, hide WordPress settings, hide theme settings, plugin settings, user settings. If anyone save this, and if we click on reload, all the settings will hide from here. Users can easily just add post page, media comments, and they can change the plugin configuration, theme configuration, or any other changes. It's especially for those users who actually wants their clients don't change any kind of codes or any kind of plugins in their ready-made websites. Even if we want to hide the local press option in here, we can use the hide local press setting from this section, but mandatory that this URL need to save before. We have just copied this because if we have just on it, it will hide and we can redo this feature anymore. So let's click on the save, and if we go to the reload, it will also hide, so anyone can't access anything in here. So if we go to the local place of training again, if we go to the paste that option, and it will load our the option, then we can open the option or activate the option again, so users can easily change their settings in here. So that's actually the most unique features that most of the WordPress themes not have, or if they want to, if anyone want to implement, they need to hard code this, or even they need to use any plugins or something other ways. But LocalPress has comes with all of the common options for especially for agency members who actually run agency or small businesses or even mid-level freelancers, and they want to serve clients without any kind of issues.
Okay,
Punesh.
so yeah, so that white labeling feature is exclusive for agency plans only, right? So those
The
who
white label and also the limit access feature, both these two features actually available for agencies.
okay, okay. So that's for agency users only. We have one more comment from the Naman Patel. That's nice. Is it optimized for speed as well? Which cache plugin you recommend to use with it?
Okay, yes, it's speed. The all of the speed as optimized for all of the demos actually optimized. So at minimum, it you will get the and B in GT matrix. It states the speed in here. I just show you the speed that we have recently imported the demo. We didn't use any cache plugin or even any minifier or any other third-party plugin, just the common LocalPress plugin we have used. So let's see how actually the speed is performing in here. Oh, it's actually cached already, so we can see the speed now. We need to wait a couple of maybe 30 to 40 minutes. Okay, let's see if Google page inside. Okay, let's if it's not work, we will test it using our demos, so both will be same speed. Okay, it's still not updating in the Google server, so let's check. Here is actually our demo, so let's check the demo speed in here, that is it work really or not, or how actually the speed will perform. Okay. Okay, so its performance in A, that is performance 100% performance in GT matrix. Let's see how the actually page speed inside in working here. Again, note that we didn't use any kind of caching plugin in our server or any kind of minifier, just the common plugins that LocalPress used, and that's it. If you'll test in your web in your site, you will get almost the similar result that I have seen in here.
Okay, so
Okay, so
I hope that answers, Naman. You saw the live demo for the page speed
yeah,
checking tools, right? For the demo that we just imported right now. So
yeah,
I hope that answers. So we covered the white label part also. Now, guys, let's come to that how we can utilize this local press offer and how we can make money with it as a freelancer or an agency. So that's a simple way that we need to sell these services as an agency. So if you are an agency or a freelancer that you provide other services and even you are into web development part, then this will boost up your speed because you have a lot of templates. You can go to the themespell.com website and see all the demos that are ready. So to sell this as a services, it's simple. Select a demo. Suppose let's say a kindergarten template is there, theme is there. If you want to work for that particular domain, just go to the Google My Business and search for the kids classes that are available inside your city and start reaching out them, pitch this website services to them, show them your demo, and if you see that it's worth visiting them, go and visit them, or let's just reach out on email or call and start pitching your services, and you can make start making money from the first day or at least first week. Okay, so we covered everything else. I think there is nothing left. Am I right, Asatuzama?
yes, we have already covered all the things.
Okay. So, guys, we have a special offer that is now exclusively offered with us. So, you can go to the link inside the description box and you can check out the offer and you can test this. And as always, we have a refund period also within a particular time window. So, guys, check this out and tell us in the comment box what you feel about local press. Thank you for joining at this time. See you in the next video.